Let's take a look here at quantization, which is a compression technique that converts the weights and activations within an LM to a lower precision data type. So an example might be converting from FP32 to int8. Here we have an example of quantization against a signal. Now, this isn't what we would be doing, right? Because we would be changing the weights and activations within an LM. But this is just a visualization that I've seen a lot. And so this is how I kind of remember what it is. And so imagine you have this wave line, see the blue wave line, and that is has a lot of data because it's nice and smooth. And as we reduce the precision, we get this blocky kind of thing. But the idea is that you still have the same shape, so it should perform the same way. Now, of course, we're not working with signals here, but hopefully that visualization kind of helps you remember what quantization is. Why would we want to quantize our model? Smaller models mean smaller size footprint, faster inference. Not always, as I learned this by actually doing quantization for real. That when I quantized the model, I noticed the files didn't get smaller and the inference wasn't faster. However, sometimes quantization will greatly reduce the used amount of resources like RAM. And so you might cut RAM like totally in half, and so quantization is worth it. The disadvantage is potential loss in quality because you are compressing the quality of the data. Just think of a JPEG, right? You have a JPEG, and if you lower the quality, you get a smaller file that loads quicker, but it's not as accurate as the original one. Examples of quantization would be QLoRa and also GGUF files, but often when I say quantization, it looks like a big mathematical formula that is converted that I personally couldn't do. Only someone that is a data scientist can do it. And quantization techniques greatly vary, okay? So, scene one does not look like the other. It is not something for us mere mortals. It's something for maybe that Rolla can do. If I had time, I'd have a follow-up video because she knows quantization very well. But yeah, that's quantization.